Today, you look behind me and it's just this beautiful landscape of restored wetland. And so it's a huge accomplishment, and really appreciate EPA support for that.
In 1966, a bunch of salt material was pushed into the marsh that killed all the plants, and it was so effective, within days, the marsh started dying. This would have been a wall of dense vegetation of an invasive species you couldn't even see through.
Now that we have this wonderful program, H2 Ohio, to just address all of the issues that ensure that we protect Ohio's greatest asset.
The governor has been a real champion of H2 Ohio. He said, everybody get in a room. DNR, Ag, EPA, Lake Erie Commission, but also our external partners. Everybody came together with one purpose. Let's protect Ohio's water for all Ohioans.
H2 Ohio has been able to provide some resources. We have 140 wetlands across the state of Ohio, so all of this is remarkable to see.
It's just exciting to see what just a little bit of investment can do to restore our natural resources in Ohio.
And to look out now at this diversity, to hear all the bird species that would have been very limited, I think it's an amazing recovery, and we should all be pretty proud of it.
The funding gets us some much needed critical infrastructure support with some of the equipment that's needed to protect the environment. And so it's been a win-win-win all the way around.
Water is our greatest natural resources, and we need to save it for the next generation.